Alright, we got some toe arms. So my wheels should be here in about a week or two. We want this fitment to be spot on. So this is day one. We're gonna roll some fenders. We've never rolled fenders before, but well, he has, but I haven't. So I'm gonna learn.
We're just doing the rears today, though.
Yeah, just the rears. Low. Yeah, I got lower control arms coming in. Just for the next video. Ah. Oh yeah, my bag. Something's wrong with it. It's not leaking like crazy, but like, I don't know.
You gotta check it.
Yeah, I'm gonna check it. All right, let's
Yo,
put this
how
car.
bad my alignment is, bro. Show them how bad that thing is.
This man's running like this.
Show them the other side. The other side is how it's supposed to fit, man. Ooh.
Damn. All right, let's put this bitch in the air, boy.
Yeah, life is like a motherfucking dream. Fill my double cup up with some leans. Yeah, put my dick in your bitch plane.
Looks pretty easy to me. Take that off, kaboom, bam, throw it in, boom.
And boom.
Done. It's Red Rexy in action. Wow. Rip that thing out. Yeah. Wow.
It's not a 19.
Oh my goodness. Hard as a rock.
17. Damn, you got it out already? Then you're fast.
Oh yeah, man, look at that. Boom. Hold on, watch this.
Watch what?
Hey, what the fuck? Nah, I'm saying boom, bada boom,
Bada
bitch.
boom, bada bang. Wow. Now get it out. Go ahead.
Whoops. I need a hit. I need a mallet. God damn.
Just like that. And I recorded while doing that.
Come on.
Check it out. Go ahead. Wow. You forgot to undo that bolt.
Ah, shit. I thought it was good.
That's a 10. It's already matched.
Yeah. See, mine are cool. Dude, don't loosen it.
I'm not. I'm tightening it, you stupid.
You better.
I gotta get a thing for it. What are you doing? Just like so.
Give me this. Ooh. Oops, I did it again. Oh my goodness. Hold up. Hold up, bro.
You know how to put that joint in, bro. Come on now. Hey. Oh, yo.
There we go. Hey. What you doing? You food down there? Hey! Yo, this shit went in my butt.
Good.
Dang. And look at that new thing. Nasty. Dang. Time to do the other side. Look at that nasty old thing. I'm about to just throw this thing on there. Bam! Woo! Sexy! Now it's time to roll the fenders.
Well, if they get so mad at quarter panels.
Quarter panels, sorry. My goodness. The fact is, we're rolling them, alright? Oh yeah. Okay.
And the mallet.
Heat gun and the mallet.
We don't want that nasty, like when you actually roll this, it comes like a little hump and stuff. We want the thing to be flush.
Yeah. Flush. Like the toilet. Stop, fucker. Almost fell.
Alright, so what we have to do is heat it up. So wait, come closer, come here. So this is glue. So what you're gonna want to do is heat this up, and once it's warm, you're gonna have to peel it off.
Wow. Fucker. Oh my goodness, fucker.
That's how you do it, fucker.
Oh my goodness, fucker.
Might take a little bit, so you know.
Okay, fucker.
Once you have it to like a good amount of heat, you see it just comes right off. There, right there. Yeah, so you're gonna want to do that until like down here, all this. So you gotta do, and then once you have that off, You can hit it with the mallet. Shit, so hard. Just like that, just like so.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay, we'll come back at you when we finish that.
What I'm gonna heat it back up. Just for a little bit, you know. Not too much, because you don't want to mess up the paint. You're gonna just get it warm just so you won't crack the paint. Then you're gonna grab the mallet. Where's it at? This one's all like pretty close though. Alright, get it warm. Put your hand right here. Then you get to work. Just like that, show them. See the difference?
Wow, look. Boom, boom.
Look what this kid's doing. He's putting my wheels on his car. His shitty butt ass car. I was like, fuck it, run it. You gonna run it? Don't mess him up. Don't do anything. If you mess him up, I kick your ass. You hear me?
Look,
Ah.
I got the base ones.
So it don't matter. You got the base ones.
I don't want to be a basic bitch.
You are.
Wheels, guys. Yeah. Woohoo! This ain't no base WRX. This is a premium. Feel me? Feel me?
What happened?
I need an alignment, yo. My shit going like this.
I told you.
Bruh.
I told you.
Let me drop it down here. Alright guys, I cannot drive my car home like this because I live like about 45 minutes away and I'm not driving this car like that. Nelson's gonna have to drop me back off at home. I'm gonna get an alignment when my lower control arms come in. So that's probably gonna be my next video. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. This is just a little prep for my wheels. They're coming in soon, hopefully. Please like, subscribe, and follow the Instagrams right here. Peace.